Grace is showing you what life is like with a smile on his face. So come along, you really can't go wrong, 'cause Grace knows the place.
The layers of lava rock, eruption after eruption, building upon itself. Again, Kauai believed to be about 5 million years old. All of our islands created from the same volcanic crater, same hotspot, which currently sits under Hawaii Island. So Kauai has moved quite a distance, more than 300-400 miles since its creation. That's why we have this coastline. We have the most erosion of all the island. They say when Kauai was first formed, it extended another mile and a half further out to sea.
Yeah, hello guys. up to Kauai Pacific man. This cow in Hawaii. So this different type of island and these.
So this here is Pilolini Valley and Beach of Pilolini. One of the smaller, more narrow valleys along the coastline. Fortunately, right in this area, all below us, very large reef system. Provide all those creatures of the sea for the Hawaiian people living in this area. And again, with the limited access by trail, more convenient way to get around was on their canoes, paddling up and down the coastline. So if the ocean is unfavorable, it really wouldn't go anywhere. Pilolini is one of 2 beaches permitted for camping along the coastline, although there is no camping during the winter time on this beach because of the high surf that comes in.
You might be newly in the USA and in need of a guide, or just looking for a glimpse of life from a perspective on the outside. Well, never fear, 'cause Grace is here to take you on a ride. He's happy to meet you, he's always on your side. Grace is showing you what life is like with a smile on his face. So come along, you really can't go wrong, 'cause Grace knows the place.
We'll see you again soon in the next video.